In this 1-minute Zoom how-to, I'll be showing you how to always ensure you have the most up-to-date Zoom client. By checking and pushing updates, you'll ensure you have access to the full spectrum of tools available for your meetings. Zoom is constantly updating or completing bug fixes. Because updates are so frequent, I recommend checking for updates on a weekly basis. Once you're logged into the Zoom desktop application, click on your profile image or initial in the top right-hand corner. Near the bottom of the drop-down menu, click Check for Updates. Your computer will search for any pending updates or bug fixes. Once it has determined there is an update, you'll click on Update and your app will install the changes. This step typically takes anywhere from 10 to 60 seconds depending on the size of the update and your connection speed. Zoom will automatically restart and you will need to log in again in order for the changes to take effect. Now you can enjoy all the new Zoom features.